Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this makeup right here. It's a very easy one. More than what people can believe of. It's kind of easy. And I really love the result, like the brownish colors and all of this. I think it's very fall, even if I'm not in the fall season anymore. I'm more in the winter. That's okay. I'm late. As always, my second name is Late. Oops. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know how I did this one, well, you just gotta watch the video. Watch the rest. Look at the step. Okay, bye. So let's start this video, guys, by waking up my skin, because I know it's a very important step that people tend to forget, but you need to waking up your skin and to refresh it before applying your makeup. So that's what we're gonna do. The first product that I'm using is a depuffer from Physician Formula, the Refresh Mint Cucumber and Bamboo. I have difficulty to pronounce cucumber. I don't know why. I can't. I just can't. So I'm using this under my eyes just to wake me up a little bit, because it is hard. It is hard. And sometimes I'm using it right here on the front head and right here around the nose. That's it. So after depuffing my eyes, I'm gonna go with the products from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream. I'm tired as hell. And it's the Intense Hydration for Dry Part. I'm tired, okay? I'm not gonna pronounce this, but that's it. And this I'm right here. I apply way too much. I always do that. I apply way too much cream. Like if I have a huge face, but I don't. You know, I'm kind of like dramatic with the cream. Oops. And don't forget the neck, really important. Do not forget this part. I'm gonna continue by priming my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And this one contains SPF, yeah. And this one contains SPF 15, so, ooh. Maybe I'm gonna just shave my head because my hair is pissing me off. Maybe. For the foundation, I'm gonna use the one from L'Oreal, the Infallible Pro Matte. Infallible, and what? I'm tired. Can you see it? The Infallible Pro Matte. Infallible. I just want to go sleep, okay? I just want to go in my bed. It's not gonna happen for at least a few hours. Hey, I don't know if it's the right color. We shall see, okay? We shall see. So I'm just using my beauty blender and I'm gonna dab the product into the skin. As always, it's not that fascinating. Just me dabbing the product all around my face. And seriously, look the difference between this side and this side. This side is ready to go for the war, you know? This side is beat to the god. And I try to not go under the eye with the foundation because I'm gonna apply concealer and I don't want it to be cakey, so I'm just trying to not apply too much foundation. Help! The step of the foundation is just me beating my face for a couple of minutes. That's pretty much it. And after the foundation, we're gonna complete with the concealer. I'm gonna use the Be Bright by the company Coco. No, Cokie. Shit. I'm gonna use the concealer by the brand Koki, Be Bright. This one right here. So I'm just gonna use my setting spray from Urban Decay, the All Nighter setting spray. And I'm just gonna go blend everything together. I use what is left on my beauty blender to just go over my lid, just to set my lid, because I don't want it to crease in the middle of the day, so yeah. And again, it's just me beating the hell out of my face. So what we're gonna do next is to fix the makeup, the foundation, the concealer, you know, everything on your face. And for this, I'm gonna use my favorite powder. I mean, there's almost no powders that beat this one. And this one is the Laura Mercier powder, the loose powder. So I just go under my eyes with this and I press the powder around the nose, under the eye, on the chin, right here, you know, a little bit everywhere. And now you know the next step. The next step is for sure the brows. And for this I'm gonna use my pencil from Rimmel. And it's clearly not fascinating to see me doing my brows. It's casual, it's take a long time, it's boring. I'm gonna stop filming and I will be back with brows. So the brows are done and we're gonna go for the next step, and it is the eye, you know. So for today's makeup, we're gonna use the palette from Jaclyn Hill with Morphe, this one right here. The first color that we're gonna use is this one right here. You see? There. And unfortunately, I lost the paper with the names on it. My bad, I'm sorry, I lose everything. I'm a mess. I'm a mess, okay? I am a mess. Let me live, thank you. So we're gonna take a flat brush, like this one right here. This one is from the company EB Beauty, and there's no number, so just use a flat synthetic brush, like this one. And I'm gonna take this color and apply it all over my lid, just to create a base for the makeup, you know. And for the next step, I'm gonna use a brush like this one right here, that is a blending brush, but a blending brush, you know, but that is an angle like this one. This one is it's the brand Luxie and it's the 131. And I'm gonna go over here, right there, pick up this color, and just with this color, I'm gonna go, where am I gonna go? I don't know. I'm gonna go right here in the crease, just a little bit above the crease, in the corner right there. I don't go in the front right here, I just go in the external corner of the eyes and the crease, and I blend this color. For now we're gonna close this little palette and we're gonna go with a pencil from Makeup Forever. I almost said Smashbox. I always mixed up these two, I don't know why, Smashbox and Makeup Forever. Don't ask me why, I don't know. And the color M60, and this one is the Aqua XL Eye Pencil. This one is waterproof, and that is important for me, okay? Waterproof pencil is important. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm just gonna go over my lashes right here, and I'm gonna go create a line. And for this, I need my bigger mirror. Come here, honey, come here. And I'm just gonna pull my eye and create a line above the lashes. And now I'm gonna go again in the palette, and I'm gonna take right here this color, this brown, dark brown, and with a round brush like this one right here, enough a small to be more precise, I'm gonna pick up this color right here, and I'm gonna go smudge the pencil I just apply on my lid. Smoke that line, honey. Smoke it. And I'm just taking back the pencil, and close to the lashes I'm gonna go back just to make the color a little bit more dark, but only close to the lashes. It's a game of going back into the shadow and going back with the pencil. It's really a fun game. Done. And both eyes are done, so we're gonna go for the next step. And this one, some people hate it, some people think it's like looking like something that you can torture someone with. Maybe, you know. But what am I gonna do next is I'm gonna curl my lashes. Yes, with this. And I'm gonna go back into the palette, and I'm gonna use the second color we use already, this one right here. I'm just gonna go under my eye, like this. And with the same round, precise brush, I'm gonna take back the same dark chocolate color right there. And just with the tip of the brush, lightly, I'm gonna go in the external corner of my eyes, just under the lashes right here. And I'm gonna go smudge the color. And I will step in the middle of the eye, right there. And I'm just going back with the first brush that I use under my eyes, and I'm gonna go blend these two colors together, you know, just to make sure that everything is perfectly mixed and smooth. I'm gonna go a little bit more with the dark brown and just bring it a little bit further in the front of the eye, you know, to define a little bit more. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to apply the mascara, and I will use this one from Ciate, the Wonder One, the Wonder One mascara. And I'm gonna listen to a little bit of music. Keep it 100, I be feeling like who? Nobody. These niggas finally understand when I land, I'm the man. Fuck you thought this was, nigga. I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna apply the false lashes, as always, and I will be back. Why am I so weird? I don't know. And I'm back with the false lashes on, and this time I used the one from Ardell, the 120 Demi, but it's still missing a lot of step on my face, and well, as you guessed, the next one is the bronzer. Ooh. And for this I'm gonna use my traditional Physician Formula bronzer. There's no name, okay? There's no name, and you're gonna have no name for this bronzer. That's it. If you don't know what it is, you need this bronzer in your life, that's all. It's one of the best. You know, one of the best.
I
And you know the step after the bronzer, it is for sure the blush. And this one I'm gonna use again the Physician Formula brand, and the name of this one is Natural. It's a light pink, it's like a pinky rosy pink. What? I think it's a very beautiful pink. It's a like baby pink, you know? Yes. And we're gonna add a lot of blush because I don't want to look dead. And you know what I do after that? I just take the brush, I go back in the blush, I take the brush and I go back in the blush. Wow, that was hard. And I just go a little bit over my nose, just, you know. And I take a little bit of the blush and I go right here over my brows, just to add a little bit of color, you know. And for the highlight, I'm gonna use the one from Becca, the Moonstone. I'm not gonna open this in front of you. Why? Because I broke that highlight multiple times. Multiple times, not just once, multiple times. And if I open it not like straight like this, everything will fall and it will be a mess. And my life is already a mess like that, so I don't need my like place here to be messy like my life, you know. Oh no, it's not the good one. Where is my other one? The hell? And I'm sorry, I did make a mistake. It was not the good highlight I did have in my hand. The one that I want is the Becca in the name Opal. Look how messy it is, okay? There is highlight everywhere. It's a mess. It's not going well. Ugh. Okay, so we're almost done, and one of the last step is my lips, and for that, first of all, I'm gonna use a lip liner. This one is from Makeup Forever, and it's the Artist Color Pencil. This one can be used on the eyes and on the lips, and this one is in the color Anywhere Caffeine. Yes, please. Thank you. And I'm gonna use on top of the pencil the Smashbox Always on Liquid Lipstick, and this one is the color Stepping Out. Okay, yes. Let's apply some setting spray. I should take a bath and setting spray. So that's it, guys, the makeup is finally done. So after all these steps, this is the result. I really hope you enjoy it. This is not really the type of makeup that I usually do. The eyes, yes, but not the lips. I usually never go to brown lips, like brownish, like nude lips. But I really love this style, and I really hope you enjoy this one. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to thumbs up this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!